Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making pumpkin spice chia seed pudding. Now before I get into the recipe, I should explain that there is no pumpkin in this, it's more the spice mix because currently pumpkin pie mixture in Australia is $15 a can. If you'd like to see me try and do this with pumpkin pie mix in the chia seed pudding, drop a little subscribe and maybe we'll do it another time. So we're going to start with 1 cup or 250 mils of milk. This can be dairy milk, it can be whatever milk you like. I am using a protein shaker, but you can use a blender if you want for this. And to that we're adding 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Next we add half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Now we're going to give it a shake so everything combines a bit before we add the sweetener. The final ingredient we are adding is a tablespoon of either honey or maple syrup. Normally I would just stick to maple syrup or a combination of honey and maple syrup, but I ran out of maple syrup and forgot to buy it. Now we're going to shake this quite vigorously for a couple of minutes because we want the sweetener to combine with everything else. It's important to stop every so often to make sure that the honey or the maple syrup is combining with the other ingredients and isn't just sticking to the sides and making itself a problem. We're now going to let it rest in the fridge for about half an hour. We're now going to put the chia seed pudding into sealable containers and let it rest for at least 3 to 4 hours or optimally overnight to allow it to thicken. If you find that it's still too runny at this stage, you can also add a few more chia seeds, let it rest for 10 or so minutes and then pour it into your sealable containers. When they're set, they should be firm but still have a little bit of a jiggle to them. They should keep in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you did like it, please leave us a like or subscribe to the channel.